First of all, open your Heat Life app and click OK button on your remote to call out the simple EPG. Now choose the channel you want to lock and press the yellow button on remote. Lock icon shows besides the locked channel. You have to enter parental PIN to watch that channel. The default PIN is 40. If you want to cancel the lock on that locked channel, press yellow button again on that channel, enter the parental PIN to cancel that lock. You can change your parental PIN under home screen, launch your settings, parental settings, change PIN.